So I spent the last couple of weeks putting together Wisefab. It was a little more work than I expected, even though we didn't have to really do too much cutting, just a little bit of grinding. It was pretty much bolt on, but just took a while to put everything together. Had my dad help me, had my buddies come over and help me, but now it's all put together. Let's show you guys what it looks like now. So as you can see, the wheels are sticking out a ton right now. Just looks wild on both sides like this. Okay, let's just so you guys have a reference. That puts you at about 6 inches, 7 inches.
So pretty much what was going on was the rim was touching this right here. It was touching this, so I couldn't get the rim on. So I had to slap on some 2 or 3 inch spacers that I had laying around to make it fit. And actually bolt on so I can kind of have a test fit to see how much clearance I had here between the fender and the tire. So there's a couple of issues that we're coming into right now. The first one obviously is there's not much of a gap. If we hit a bump or anything like that, it's gonna bottom out and cut into the tire. So we're gonna have to cut to give more clearance here for the suspension travel. Another issue we're having is it's hitting back here. When this wheel turns, it swings back and hits this. So right now I can't even drive it because I'll have maybe like 10 or 15 degrees of turning. So I can't even back out of the driveway. So the plan will be, we're gonna cut all the way like this. And that way we can hopefully get some clearance. And also I'm waiting on the wheels still. They're gonna be 18 by 9.5, so quite a bit thinner than these. And without the spacer in there, hopefully we'll be all right. So for now, what we can do is actually get this thing prepped and ready to cut the fenders. So we're gonna jack it up, take the wheels off, and then start marking and measuring